In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark expenses as billable and add them to invoices in FreshBooks. If you work with clients and want to make sure your out-of-pocket costs are passed along accurately, this walkthrough will help you set up a clean, billable workflow from start to finish. First, sign in to your FreshBooks account and head straight to the expenses section from the left sidebar. This is your hub for tracking what you spend on behalf of your business or your clients. If you already have an expense recorded that you want to bill back, you can open it from the All Expenses list. If not, click New Expense in the top right corner to start a fresh entry. In the expense entry form, find the Assign to Client/Project field. This is where you tell FreshBooks who the expense is for. Choose the correct client, and if you're working within a specific project, select that as well. Getting this right ensures the cost appears for the right person when you invoice. By the way, I've placed a link to FreshBooks at the very top of the description, along with download links for the mobile app if you prefer to manage expenses on the go. Grab those if you need quick access. Next, enable the billable option. This is a crucial checkbox. If it's not turned on, the expense won't be available to add to an invoice later. Think of it as the switch that tells FreshBooks, I intend to charge this back to the client. Before saving, take a moment to review the details. Confirm the merchant name, pick the appropriate category, double check the date, and make sure the amount and description are accurate and clear. A concise description helps your client understand what they're paying for, which can reduce back and forth and speed up approvals. If taxes apply, make sure the totals reflect that correctly. When everything looks good, click the checkmark button or save to record the billable expense. This locks in your changes and places the expense where it needs to be for invoicing. Finally, when you're creating an invoice for that client, select the billable expense so it's included in the invoice total. FreshBooks will surface your billable items for that client, and you can add them to the invoice in just a couple of clicks. Review the invoice one last time to ensure the expense lines are present and accurate, then send it off, and that's it. You've opened expenses, created or selected an entry, assigned it properly, marked it billable, reviewed and saved it, and then added it to your client's invoice. Thanks for watching.